Hey y'all, welcome back. This is Kina with SweetGemLife. Today I am unboxing the July 2021 cloth and paper subscription box. If you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go in the order of the menu card. I'm a little thrown off because I just opened up the box and it's the wrong size. It's in a personal. I've never owned a personal, so I need to check my account to make sure that there were no inadvertent changes made, and then I'm gonna have to email customer service. But let me go ahead and show you guys what's inside the box that I did get. The first item is the dashboards. So we got this vellum dashboard that says, I saw that my life was a vast glowing empty page and I could do anything I wanted. And then we have the second one that talks about traveling. It says, traveling is an exhilarating experience. To commit to purpose within your travels is to truly engage in the world around you. Would you like to learn the rich, vibrant history behind a major city, experience a new cuisine and its most famous cultural dishes, go off the grid and relax in appreciation of scenic beauty? No matter your preferences, while reflecting on your travel aspirations, compile images and words that inspire and move you. Creating mood boards or travel bucket lists encourages the opportunity to reflect on and express appreciation for both past and future trips and the uniquely personal experiences they bring us. And then it goes on. So down here it says, to commit to purpose within your travels is to truly engage in the world around you. And that's by Lauren O. and Kaylin H. So these are the two dashboards in this month's box. The next item up are these inserts. So we got the September 2021 horizontal inserts. You guys have seen these. We're just getting them for September. So these are the September inserts. And then we got packing list inserts, and it shows essentials clothing, and it's just checklists, but it says essentials clothing, toiletries, technology, shoes. And on the back it's blank, so it allows you to fill in whatever categories work for you. So these are the packing list inserts. I'm bummed out that I got the wrong size. Excuse me, these are A6, not personal. I didn't know A6 was this tiny. Goodness. Okay. And then we have a daily itinerary. That's pretty cool. It shows weather, what the weather's like, the temperature, things to do, checklist, meals, and then notes down here. What's on the back? Whoa, wasn't ready for that. And then it's just the same thing on the back. So this is the daily itinerary insert. The next item is the Swanier reusable pouch. And it says, stay collected on the go with our stunning Swanier reusable pouch, the perfect companion for all of your summer events. It's equally at home, housing toiletries, pens, or sticky notes. Not to mention, it pairs perfectly with our new cloth and paper vanity cases. I was a little confused because I thought Swanier was the collection by Nautique. Okay, so here is the Swanier reusable pouch. The next item up is the Circle sticky note set, and it says July is all about the exclusives. Our Circle sticky note set, featuring the colors Angora, Mojito, and Cypress, delivers all of the soothing summery vibes you've been searching for. So these are paper. There are 25 sheets of each color size, and this is the Circle sticky note set. The next item up are the Spotlight page flags, and this is palette number 1 for this design, and it says, presenting our Spotlight page flags, the newest addition to our transparent page flag collection. Subscribers are the first to receive this new design. Use them to highlight tasks or appointments that deserve a shining moment. Interesting. I can definitely see myself finding a use for these. So these are the Spotlight page flags. The next item up is the travel label stickers, and it says keep track of your toiletries with our exclusive travel label stickers. These transparent stickers fit perfectly on all of your travel bottles. So they are glossy, they are transparent, she's already said that, and there are 18 of them. Pretty cool. So these are the travel label stickers. Last but not least, we have our journaling cards for the month of September. So we have the clear card, our white matte card. This card says to create something exceptional, your mind must be focused on the smallest detail. To create, same thing. And that's by Giorgio Armani. And the next one says, you still have a lot of time to make yourself be what you want. You still have a lot of time to make yourself be what you want. And that's by S.E. Hinton. So these are the journaling cards in this month's box. Alright, y'all, so this is the July 2021 cloth and paper sub box. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye now.